right, here's something that probably never crossed your mind the last time you asked your phone for directions or watched a friend talk to an AI chatbot. Somewhere inside the machine that made that possible, there's gold and silver, and a metal most people have never heard of called palladium. Now today, we're going to connect some dots that don't usually get connected between the AI revolution everyone's talking about, the chips powering it, and the precious metals quietly sitting at the center of the whole thing. And by the end, I think you're going to look at gold and silver a little bit differently. So let's start with the big picture because it's genuinely staggering. The semiconductor industry, the people who make the chips that run your phone, your car, your laptop, your streaming service, and now your AI assistant, just crossed into trillion-dollar territory. According to Bloomberg, citing the Semiconductor Industry Association, total chip industry sales hit $791.7 billion in 2025 and are forecast to surge, and the engine driving all of it is artificial intelligence. NVIDIA, you've probably heard the name, has described the next 5 years as a $3 to $4 trillion AI infrastructure opportunity. The AI chip market alone is projected to grow from about $45 billion in 2024 to nearly $461 billion by 2034. Now, I'm not a tech guy. I once had to call my son to have him explain to me how to connect to the Wi-Fi at a hotel, but even I can recognize when something is growing fast enough to matter. And this is definitely one of those times. Now here's why it matters to us today. Every single one of those chips requires precious metals to function, and not in some optional decorative way. We're talking about metals that are physically irreplaceable in the manufacturing process. So let's talk about each one. Gold, the metal that makes chips work. Gold has been in electronics since the very beginning, and for good reason. It's one of the best electrical conductors on the planet. It doesn't corrode, it doesn't tarnish, it doesn't react with anything around it. And it can be drawn into wires thinner than a human hair, literally about 1/10 the thickness. That makes it perfect for the ultra-precise connections inside a chip where there is absolutely no margin for error. The World Gold Council describes gold as an indispensable component of the computer chips found in almost all electronic equipment. It's used in printed circuit boards, wire bonding, connectors, and plating. Anywhere you need a reliable, long-lasting electrical pathway that doesn't degrade over time. And here's where AI enters the picture. As the World Gold Council put it, as AI technology advances, the demand for more sophisticated and powerful hardware can only increase. And that in turn is likely to drive demand for gold. Think of it this way. You're building more and more powerful machines. Each machine needs more sophisticated components. Each component needs gold to function reliably. It's a chain, and it starts with the metal. Now, manufacturers have gotten clever about using less gold per chip as prices rose, but here's the catch. While they use less gold per individual chip, the sheer number of chips being produced is exploding. The Semiconductor Industry Association estimates that roughly 1.5 trillion chips were sold in 2025 alone. I don't care how good you are at using less gold per chip, that's still a lot of gold. And gold is just the first precious metal in this story. The second one might actually surprise you. Silver, the conductor nobody talks about. If gold is the quiet professional of the chip world, silver is the overachiever who somehow ended up doing 3 jobs at once, and nobody's giving it enough credit. Here's a fact that tends to stop people. Silver is the single best electrical conductor of any element on Earth. Not gold, not copper, silver. It conducts electricity better than anything else we know of. That's why it's essential in electronics, semiconductors, solar panels, electric vehicles, and now AI data centers. Industrial silver demand hit a record 680 million ounces in 2024. That's not a typo, and that number has been climbing every year while supply has barely budged. Now here's the part that really gets interesting. The Silver Institute, in a December 2025 report produced by Oxford Economics, specifically called out AI as a major new driver of silver demand. Data centers need silver for cooling systems, high-speed networking, and power management. A typical AI server cluster requires 2 to 3 times the silver content of a traditional data center. Meanwhile, solar panels, which are being built at historic paces to power all of these data centers, consume nearly 198 million ounces of silver in 2024 alone. That's almost 20% of the total global silver demand going into solar panels in a single year. And here's the supply problem. About 72% of silver is mined as a byproduct of other metals: copper, lead, zinc. That means when silver demand spikes, the market can't just flip a switch and mine more. It's dependent on demand for entirely different metals. Silver production grew by less than 1% in 2024, while demand hit record highs. The result? The silver market has now recorded 4 consecutive years of supply deficits, totaling about 678 million ounces short. That's 10 months of global mine production worth of unmet demand piling up year after year. It's kind of like being a bakery that keeps selling more bread, but you can't bake enough to keep up with the demand. Except flour comes from a different farm that's growing corn. You can't just grow more. Now, before we pull all this together, I want to take a quick second here. If you're sitting there thinking, I had no idea these metals were this embedded into the technology driving the whole global economy. Well, most people didn't realize that. It's kind of the point. Goldco has put together a free gold and silver kit that walks you through exactly how physical gold and silver fit into a modern financial picture, including the industrial demand story that's been quietly building for years. It's educational, it's free, and there's zero obligation. Click the link below or call the number on your screen to get your copy. All right, now let's bring this home. So what does all this mean? Well, here's the thread that runs through everything we've talked about today. The AI boom is real. The chip industry just crossed $1 trillion and it's still accelerating. Every chip needs gold. Every data center needs silver. These aren't future predictions. This is what's happening right now, today, in manufacturing facilities around the world. And here's the part that connects you specifically. All of this industrial demand is layered on top of the reason people have always held precious metals as protection against inflation, as a store of value, as something real in a world of paper promises. Gold and silver are not just financial relics from the past. They're literally the backbone of the technology defining the future. The countries that are buying gold by the hundreds of tons, the central banks, the governments, the institutional holders, they understand this. The chip manufacturers who build precious metals into every product they make, they understand this. And Goldco makes it possible for regular people just like you to own a piece of the same metals that are powering the AI revolution in a tax-advantaged retirement account with physical gold and silver backed by a company that has placed over $3 billion in precious metals on behalf of its customers. Right now, for those who qualify, Goldco is also offering an instant match of up to 10% in bonus silver or gold on qualifying orders. It starts with their free gold and silver kit, plain English, no obligation, no pressure. Just the information you need to decide for yourself. Click the link below or call the number on your screen because the AI revolution is going to need a lot of precious metals, and it's worth understanding what that means for you.